winner goes home, winner goes on, and winner and loser goes home. And we were able to survive that one. You know, Whittier gave us all that we could handle and then some in that 8-inning game. And then today, same thing. We had the same mentality. We tip our hats to Whittier because they made us a little tougher for today's game. Today's game, we were able to withstand the pressure that Bloomington brought to us, because that's a good hitting club. Those guys can swing the bat. And our guy, Vinny, congratulations to him. He just won the 20th career game of his life, tying Chris Villalobos. He's #1, tied for #1 in our school history for wins with 20 victories.
Any thought about Friday's opponent?
I think we play Thursday.
Or Thursday,
yeah. We're playing Thursday. We're traveling out to West Torrance. And all those Torrance schools are tough, but hey, you know, our league is a tough league. If you can survive our league, you've accomplished something. So, you know, to be one of the top 3 teams in the Del Rio League means a lot, and it gets you ready for this. So, you know, we're gonna go out there and give them our best shot. We got a whole crew of good pitching. We got Mikey Vieira and we got Bobby Banuelos, and those guys are gonna set the tone for us. And defensively, we're gonna play just as well as we did today, and the bats will hopefully continue to be swung hard.
It was very intense. I mean, we just needed to capitalize on the base runners we had and score them in. That's the only trouble we had, and we did it today.
Talk about your last at bat. It was a tight game at that point, and you got the key 2-run single there to get some separation.
Well, my coach had told me before, like, remember your last at bats. He started off with a change piece, and I remembered that, but they gave me a fastball, and I put it in play.
Our last game on Friday, I had tied the guy for second place, and I didn't even start the game, so it was pretty cool to come in and close it and get the save and the win. And today I was told that I was going to be starting today, so I just got my mindset, and I didn't even think about it, just come out and win the game for my team. And that's second, you know, that's a bonus. But I just kind of got to come out here and win the game for my team, and it's a bonus, so it's all good.